Hey friends, today the Linux Ninja is going to talk about keyboard shortcuts in the terminal, these secret hidden pathways that we should use more often. And I got the idea for this video the other day because a really good Linux administrator said that he did not know that you can use Control A to jump to the beginning of a line and then Control E to jump to the end of the line. So get your notebook out, jot down these secrets, and then throw away the paper. Let's get busy. Let's say you have this command, Ansible Navigator Images, and then you want to jump to the beginning of the line, Control A, and then do Control E to jump to the end of the line. If you want to erase the line, you do Control U. Another nifty command, my kind sir, is when you do history, don't scroll and scroll and keep scrolling, scrolling. Anyways, Control L, do Control R. Then you do a reverse history search. And so let's just do Ansible Navigator because I was just doing that. That's the last Ansible Navigator command that I ran. Now let's keep looking. Control R, Control R, Control R. Okay, let's say we want to pick that one for some reason. It's Control J. And now we're there. Sweet. And see, for some reason the cursor is at Ansible, which is fine. Then we just do Control E to jump to the end of the line. Now we're at the end of the line. And let's say we want to jump to the beginning of navigators. You would do Control and then the arrow key to the left. If that doesn't work, you can use Alt and then B. And you can also use Alt and F to jump back and forth, back and forth. Amazing. I like the arrow keys because I've used the thumb for the Alt, and Alt B is kind of crooked. So I use the arrow keys. It's cold outside, so it's some Icelandic words for you. If you do Control B, you go backward one character, and then Control F, you go forward one character. I forgot to tell you something about history. So let's say you want to go back one. It's Control P. See, Ansible Navigator Images. Next one is number 997. Control P, Control P, Control P. So let's say I went one too far, and now I'm at 995. I want 996, so that's Control N. Control Next, Control Previous. Sweet. And another thing, since I'm here, so let's say I want to run command 994. You do hyphen 994, and that's going to run the clear command. See, clear, gone. Let's say you run a command in the terminal and it's just stuck. Let's do something like this. This is going to run forever and ever. You do Control C to cancel that command, Control L to clear. Let's say you ran a command but you want to put it in the background. So let's do sleep 10 and then you use Control Z, who knows. Let's look at the jobs that are running. So you do foreground 1, bring it back. Now it has a few seconds to go. Bam. That's all she wrote. So Control Z to put it into the background. I think that's it for today. Just short and sweet, indeed. I wanted to share with you all the keyboard shortcuts that I use all the time. Of course, there are more. So let me know if I forgot one or you use one all the time that we should all know about. I want to learn from you all as well. So until next time, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.